If you came here looking to make this, stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly how to make it.
Show me how you make it dip. Show me how you make it dip, 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 make it dip. Yeah, baby, show me how you make it dip, 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 make it dip. Yeah, baby, show me how you make it dip.
Who got the juice? Be sending you niggas crazy. Who got a man like me and that pussy Daisy? Yeah, I had to dash like Tion, baby, I'm Stacy. Like when you turn them down, these clowns turning.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Red back with another freaking video. So today, that was my thing. That was not what you thought it was. I know why you guys are here. To make one of these music posters, music plaques, music frames, however you want to say it. I discovered how to do it. Very easy. I'm going to tell you everything you need. Oh, let's get started. You need a Cricut machine, or you can use a silhouette. This sticker paper that I got from Hobby Lobby, or I have this kind. I haven't used this one yet. I think I want to see how this one turns out as well, so I'll probably see about that during this video as well. And you'll need some permanent vinyl, and I believe you can use removable vinyl as well. You need one of these. You also need this here, transfer paper, to help you place it onto the screen. So let's get into the video and I'll do step by step. Sorry, I forgot the last thing to tell you guys what you need. You're gonna need a frame. You need the glass out of it. So I got this from Dollar Tree. It's an 8x10. So, you know, doesn't matter what kind you get. Just take the glass out. You can keep the frame if you want. I went to Spotify and I saved Nicki Minaj's album from there. And I'm gonna make this actually a 5x5. Well, first let's get my outline. Let's change the dimensions to 8x10. Don't forget to unlock it too, so we can do it correctly. Okay, yeah, let's unlock this corner and change the dimensions to a 5x5. I seen someone say that, so that's what I followed. Center it basically. So you see the Spotify code. I guess if you scan it, you can play it. So imagine having it on your wall. Somebody comes over like, oh my gosh, I haven't heard this before. Tell them go to Spotify, scan it. There you go. I'm actually gonna slice that and make it smaller. So I'm gonna get another square here and try to make it exactly the same size as that. Slice that. Here. We're gonna delete these. Sorry if you guys can't see. Let's delete you too. Okay, I don't need that anymore. There we go. Then I also have a SVG file already on here, so I'm gonna add that. You can purchase it off of Etsy. I think that's how you say it. Let's align that as well. Okay, so now I need to type in the song name and the title. Okay, and I'm gonna make that small. That size. That's 3 inches wide. And that should do it. You do not have to mirror it at all. And send to printer. Okay, as you guys can see, I did what I said I was gonna do. Try both of the sticker papers I have. What it's looking like. This is the clear one, clear sticker paper, and this is the, I don't know what it's just sticker paper, I guess. But I think I'm gonna use this one instead, so I'm gonna cut it out right now. Okay, you guys, cutting out the words now. You do not have to mirror it. It is done cutting. It's time to weed it and place it onto the glass. So I'm gonna actually try to line this up on here. Maybe I should have cut it. I'm going to actually peel this off again. So as you can see, it's coming off onto the transfer tape. I want to put it at least here. So there you have it. I'm so happy. This is my second one I've made. Let's compare. As you can see, I did the first one on these type of frames. Also, don't forget you can get these frames at Dollar Tree for $1. This one as well. But this one was of a local artist here. Once again, as I told you guys, his name is JKT. But just make sure you cutting good and getting extras off. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. And if you guys have any other artists I should make, please comment that as well. Stay tuned for more videos.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, 24, 12 fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the